When a market trends, it makes higher highs and higher lows or lower highs and lower lows. These high and low levels are often called swing points, and they help determine if we're in an uptrend or downtrend. However, if you've traded for more than a week, you know that sometimes the price will try but fail to break these swing points. When this happens, it's sometimes called a swing failure pattern. Identifying these patterns is an easy way to spot great reversal opportunities, just like this. That is why our team developed the free swing failure patterns indicator. So let's get into how it works. And if you stick around to the end, we'll share with you a secret feature that will find the best setups that you need to execute on. The indicator looks at swing points like this. And for a swing failure to be detected, a candle needs to wick beyond that swing level, but retrace and close above or below that level. When this happens, the wick of the candle beyond that level will be highlighted and an SFP label for swing failure pattern will be plotted. On the opposite side of that swing failure, a dotted level is also drawn for what's called a confirmation level. If a candle now closes beyond that confirmation level, a triangle will be plotted, suggesting that the market is likely to reverse at this point. The indicator does 90% of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on your analysis while these patterns are detected automatically. Since these swing failures suggest reversals, you can use them to know when to exit your trade or when to enter a reversal setup. If you are in a long-term sell setup, this indicator can help find possible retracements in trends by confirming swing failures. Additionally, if you are searching for great counter-trend setups within a certain area, it can also be excellent for identifying market tops and bottoms. And increasing the indicator swing value will detect larger swing levels, reducing the number of setups seen on the chart. But while increasing the swing point is great, to truly filter out weaker setups, you need confluence. That's why we also added a volume validation feature for a deeper look at these swing failures in a way that has never been done before. You see, when a candle wicks outside the swing point and the SFP label is plotted along with the two swing levels, you can use the volume validation feature to check if the volume outside the swing area is greater or lower than a percentage of the total volume. To demonstrate this, here on Bitcoin, let's say I only want buy setups. I will disable bearish swing failure patterns. Now, we have 5 setups shown. I can filter these setups by using the volume validation feature. Let's check if the volume outside is less than the threshold, which is set to 25%. Now, notice how 2 of the 5 setups have disappeared, and we're now only seeing 3 setups, and for these 3, the volume of the swing failure is less than 25% of the total volume, meaning the swing to the downside was very weak, and that might indicate a higher chance of a more significant reversal. This indicator is a gem for easily identifying those pesky swing failures, which are usually seen as something bad, but now you have a way to truly capitalize on them. We made sure to release this indicator completely free and open source to the community, and we would love to get your feedback. You can get it at LuxAlgo.com/library by searching swing failure pattern. Don't forget to join our Discord community. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.